What's up everybody? On today's video, I'm bringing to you something sweet and tropical and a little fruity. Anyway, it's another first for me, but I have never made it into a gummy. And it's pretty new, so let's try to be the first to it. Let's go. Welcome back everybody. For this recipe, we're going to use 36 grams of gelatin plus 70 grams of baker's sugar. If you've never used this, it's a little finer. It's in between pure cane and powdered. That's the best way to describe it. Now you don't have to use it. You can use whatever sugar you got on you. Let's swirl this one up. There you go, just like that. Next in, whoa, we gotta hit the 0. 225 grams corn syrup. I don't know if you can see that with this glare of the light. Perfect. Next in, 125 grams applesauce. Let's get it right in there. And for the flavoring, we're going with Hawaiian Punch Genie Wishes. This stuff is delicious. It's tropical, it's very fruity, and I think you'll like it too. You guessed it, another first for me. Let's get back to it. Come on. So we're going to use 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Almost dropped them. We might add more at the end, but I'll let you know. My lovely little assistant is going to be stirring this for us today. As you can see, candy making can be fun for the whole family. So just have fun with it. Get creative and bring those kids into the kitchen. Stir it up, little daughter, stir it up. All right, we're going to add one more. Okay, that looks good. Perfect, thank you. Now, we're gonna let that sit for the 7 to 10 minutes to allow that gelatin to bloom, and then we'll put it on the heat. Actually, it's over there this time. And we can't forget 2 ounces of our favorite liquid coconut oil with 1 level tablespoon scoop of lecithin granules. We will also be using 5 grams of cream of tartar plus 2 solid pinches of malic acid. If you had 3 wishes from a genie, what would you wish for? I'd wish for all sorts of things, but one of them would be invisible. I totally wish to be invisible. Okay. Well, I guess that worked. Now, I've got to try to figure this out. Ah, crap. Okay, well, I'll be back. All right. It's been on the heat for a few minutes. Now it's time to add the oil. Get it all in there. Now let's stir it up for the next 3 to 5 minutes, or as long as it takes for all that oil to get fully incorporated within the batch. And you know what? Like usual, I'm not gonna make you watch it all, unless you like watching it all. But until you tell me, this is what I'll do. All right. See you soon. All right. As you can see, we've reached our simmer and boil. So now it's time to add the acids. And here they come. I added some yellow in there for the slow-mo when I'm adding the water, and it didn't do quite what I was expecting, and then it dawned on me. It's the gel color and not the liquid color. So, next time. I'm gonna sit here and stir for the next couple minutes until all that water is fully evaporated, and then it's time to pour. So, I'll see you over there. Hopefully. All right, and away we go. Like always, don't mind the hard water spots. No matter what I do out here, we get hard water. I know we can get a soft water thingamajogger, but we don't own the house, so I really don't want to do that. The landlords won't, that's for sure. I'm a little heavy with that last one. That's okay. All right. I wish to be normal again. Oh, it worked. Right on. I guess that's the life lesson there. Watch what you wish for. Anyway, that's how we make these gummies. And if you're going to try them and you need any help, you know what to do. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye. I wish this video would end.